About Ken Griffin moving his firm Citadel to Florida, in part because he wants to escape from crime in Chicago.
Some brokerage sites are now being accused of siding with billionaires after blocking certain trades.
Retail investors sounding the alarm big time all weekend long, going after the Financial Industry Authority, FINRA, for halting its shares in a preferred stock.
What's the tipping point and what's going to stop it? Unfortunately, I think a prime broker or a major bank has to go down, and it has to be massive monies. This is fraud on a massive scale.
They halted purchases on several companies, including GameStop, AMC Theaters, BlackBerry, and Bed Bath & Beyond.
You haven't really seen anything like this before.
You're going to see the mother lode of all shares that have been issued that don't exist.
I fought this fight for 15 years. I was surprised at what happened with AMC, because the theory is that at some point that people have to settle their trades. With Overstock, something funny happened. So the SEC in 2005 passed, due to the enormous public pressure, passed a very flimsy regulation against this stuff. It's called Reg Show, S-H-O. And it was as flimsy as they could make it.
Congresswoman Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez tweeted, "This is unacceptable." And in a rare move, Republican Senator Ted Cruz agreed with Ocasio-Cortez.
It's not going to end well when it ends. And the bigger question is, when does it end?
The amateur traders helped force shares up by 1,700%, costing the hedge funds more than $5 billion.
FINRA was not transparent about it in any way. If there is a window that people thought was 2 days longer, somebody should be liable.
Impacted by the troubling trading halt of the metamaterials, or MMTLP, investors across the country share these same concerns. MMTLP shares were subject to counterfeit and naked short selling. Have FINRA and the SEC analyzed MMTLP for any potential fraud or wrongdoing?
We seek to analyze fraud and wrongdoing wherever it might be in our capital markets. And
what can the retail investor do? We're constantly being manipulated by these hedge funds, by these market makers, and it's being allowed to be done by the SEC with no regulation whatsoever. So what can you really do about it? Well, that's part of the reason why I came out here today, gathered together with fellow retail traders to stand up against them and tell them enough is enough, that we're ready to come out here and we're trying to make a difference, right? We're trying to come out here and we're making a difference, right?